I'm Simonas Milišauskas. I'm a designer, and right now I'm developing prosthetics for partially and fully amputated fingers. I lost 2 fingers in a workshop, so at that point I was looking at the market, searching for prosthetics I would like, but I couldn't find the ones that would fit me and I could afford them. So, well, since I'm a designer, I decided to create my own version of it. And during the development, I saw the potential of adapting the same system to other people who lost their fingers. And right now I'm developing that system to make the prosthetic adaptable to them as well. The whole idea is to make the prosthetic based on the 3D scanning of the hand, 3D printing or injection molding on different kinds of scenarios. But the whole adaptation process is done with computer generation. The process is, instead of using the right now how the practice goes right now about making molds of the hand and trying to adapt it, to skip all that part and just do it computationally. That way it becomes quicker to adapt, and in the same process cheaper. The whole idea is that since it's functional, it bends. The idea is was not to use hinges for joints, instead use some kind of compliant mechanisms which makes the material bend itself to create this whole unified design and making as little parts as possible to make that aim to be cheaper, efficient, achievable. Additional point, instead of trying to imitate reality, my goal is to make it more like an accessory type where the prosthetic is more of an individual's personal style, part of this personal style. And a lot of people who hear it agree with it, that this different approach where you don't try to imitate reality is interesting, and we would like to see more of it. Right now, exactly at this moment, I'm in contact with multiple manufacturers for different parts, and we're trying to adapt those parts to develop the project further to a more final form of it. And when the final form is completed or close to it, then the whole process of trying to go into the different countries and promote our product.